Selling on the TikTok shop is one of the best opportunities I have ever seen, and to be honest, it's a goldmine of an opportunity. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create your TikTok shop account, how to navigate Seller Center, and how to generate your first dollar selling on the TikTok shop. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time 8-figure e-com seller, and in today's video, we're going to give you a complete A to Z TikTok shop masterclass. So buckle up, get excited, because this opportunity that's in front of your feet is absolutely insane, and you need to take advantage of it. And also just want to give a huge shout out to TikTok shop for sponsoring this video. If it wasn't for them, you wouldn't be getting this complete step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing I want to do is break down how selling on TikTok shop actually works. So let's come over here inside my phone, and we are logged on to my TikTok account. And as I scroll through, you're going to see videos start playing of this computer monitor of this guy talking about it. And if I pause it right here, and you see in the bottom left-hand corner, there's this little shop icon. And if I click on this shop icon, I can actually purchase this product directly from inside the TikTok app. So this is e-commerce integrated directly with TikTok, and that is the power behind it. We've got a social media platform that is massive, and you integrate that with selling products, and you marry those two together, and that's what you get with the TikTok shop program. So I'm excited to show you guys how to sign up for an account, how to navigate your seller center, and then how to start making sales and making videos just like this, tagging products and making your products discoverable to millions of customers. So let's get into that first step of actually setting up your seller center account. Okay, so let's dive into my screen and break down the step-by-step process of signing up for a TikTok shop account. You're going to go to seller.tiktok.com, or you can click the link down below. I'll provide that for you guys, and you're going to select a region. So I'm going to click North America Seller. From there, it's going to take you to this page where you can either log into an existing account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can hit sign up now. And that's what I recommend, is creating a brand new account. From there, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to either enter a phone number or an email. You're going to enter in that phone number. You're going to hit continue. They're going to send you a verification code to just make sure that it's a valid phone number or email. And from there, you are off to the races to signing up. And it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you for your business type. So this is where you need to either tell them you're an individual. So you are going to be using your social security number as basically your form of identification. It can be a sole proprietorship, a corporation. So if you have an actual business entity like an LLC, or partnership. So if you have a partner in the business, that is what you're going to want to click. And so in this case, I'm going to select corporation because I have an LLC. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to take you to the business details, where it's going to ask you some basic information about your business. So whether you are sole proprietor or a corporation, it could look a little different. The legal business name, I'm going to put the name of my LLC. If you did a sole proprietor, you're going to put your name. And then it's going to ask you for your employer identification number, or it's going to ask you for your social security number. So you're going to put that there. And then register business address. So whether it is a business location or your residential address, you're going to put that there. And if it is your residential address, you're going to want to click this little checkbox and certify that I do not have a business address, and they won't display this publicly. Then from there, you're going to select that if you have a parent company or not, and I'm going to hit no, and that's going to take me to the next step, which is the primary representative. And this is where you're going to provide the information of the actual business owner. So whether you have multiple owners or whether it's yourself, you're going to put your legal name, your date of birth, your residential address, and then you're going to need to put your last 4 digits of your social security number. And then from there, you're going to hit next, and it's going to take you to your shop information. This is where you're going to come up with a shop name. And if you already have a brand, this is where you're going to put your brand. If not, you can come up with a shop name. Then you're going to come over here and select a category. If you don't have a product yet, it is okay. It's not the end of the world. But if you do have a product that you're ready to sell, you're going to select a category that best fits the product that you're selling. From there, you're going to put your phone number in. You're going to get a code sent to your phone. You're going to plug that code into the verification right there and hit submit. And from there, it's going to ask you to confirm your information and just make sure that things are set up right. Everything is entered in correctly. And that's where you want to double check, make sure there's no misspelling, make sure that you actually included the right number and an email. And then once you hit submit, that is where you are done. And then you just have to wait for TikTok to verify your account. And once they do, they will send you an email saying, hey, your TikTok shop has been approved. Congratulations. So that is the simple step-by-step process when it comes to creating an account. Now what I want to do is actually dive into my Seller Center account and show you how to navigate it properly so you can hit the ground running and leverage the TikTok shop program to your benefit. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are inside the TikTok Shop Seller Center account. I want to show you guys how to navigate everything. And the first and most important thing is to come up here to the right-hand side to this little profile, come to My Account and click My Account Settings. This is where you're going to update your tax information. So this is where you need to fill out a W-9 and make sure that that is submitted. You got the Qualification Center. This is where you're going to update any trademark certificates if you have them and any other business details that TikTok requests. You'll put that in the Qualification Center. User management, if you have employees that you want to invite, you'll want to add a bank account because obviously when you start selling, you need to get direct deposits. You'll update the warehouse settings to your business address. You can have a delegation mode. You can update communication preferences. You can put it on holiday mode, and you can also close shop accounts. So that is right there in the account settings. But from there, we're going to show you how to actually add your first product, because if you don't list a product, well, you can't start selling. So come over here to the little products tab right here. And from here, you can hit add new product. You can see right here that I've created one, and I'll show you real quickly. It's super easy and seamless. You're going to update product images. So that's going to be the first thing, basic information. So upload a main image, then you're going to have some additional images. Then you're going to create a product title. Then you'll create and assign a category. So find a category that best fits your product. Then you're going to create a product description. You can upload a video here. Then you'll provide the sales information with the price and the shipping and the quantity details. And then you'll hit submit. And just like that, you'll have a product listing just like this. So you can see I've got 5 units, my retail price. It's inactive right now, so I can activate it. I can edit it. I can adjust it. I can do whatever I want. So that is how you actually create the product listing. And then if you come over here, I want to show you guys the account health. So this is super important to make sure that you're in good standings with TikTok. You're not having any violations. So once you start selling, you want to make sure that you're sending inventory and you're shipping out on time. When you get buyer messages, you need to respond within a certain period of time. And so right here, it's going to show you the policy compliance. So if you have any shop violations, product violations, order fulfillment violations, service metric violations, critical violations, it'll break that down right here. And this is super important to make sure that your health is in good standing so that you can continue to run your TikTok shop account without any delays. So that's the shop health tab right there. We're going to come over here to the marketing, and this is where TikTok gets really powerful. There's 2 features that it's just one of my favorite things is the marketing right here, where you can integrate TikTok ads with your TikTok shop account. And so you can basically run ads that direct to your shop and people can buy your product, and it's extremely powerful. So that is how you set that up. You've got shop ads, you've got different promotions. This is extremely powerful. So if you click on promotions, you can actually create discounts, flash deals, buy more, save more, shipping fee discount, all of that good stuff. And then there's different campaigns and shop pages and also TikTok funded promotions. So you want to make sure that you turn that on as well. But right here on the affiliate tab, this is where the magic happens on the TikTok shop, is with TikTok shop affiliates. And so what you're going to do is you're going to hit get started, and you're going to make your products available as an open collaboration. And what this means is other people on TikTok that are affiliates can promote your product. And if they promote your product and generate a sale, they get a small commission. And so this is a great way to drive traffic, which we'll talk about here at the end when it comes to actually generating your first sales. But understanding the affiliate tab is very important. You can sell with video and live, the growth, and then you can integrate different apps and then your analytics and finances. So that's a complete breakdown of navigating Seller Center. It's really very straightforward. They've done an amazing job. And now what I want to do is get into that next step of actually how to start making your first dollar with the TikTok Shop program. So let's get into it. Okay, so diving back into my TikTok seller account, we come to home. You can see that we've got a personalized coaching to get you started. And this is actually the step-by-step process to actually start getting your first sales, which they make it super easy. So right here, it says get your products ready. So I showed you guys how to list your products. You need to create your shop tab. and they have a video walking you through the entire step-by-step process. So that's the first thing. I showed you how to create your product listing, and you need to make sure that that's set up, because the next thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating shoppable videos. This is where you can create organic content of your products, upload it to your TikTok account, and then you can tag your product that you're talking about. And then when you publish it, it goes out to TikTok audience. It'll go out to all of the TikTok users. It'll hit people's For You pages. And if people like the video, they'll start engaging, they'll start liking, and then it will start resulting in purchases for your product. And this is the power of selling on TikTok, is you're one viral video away from absolutely blowing up. And so in the very beginning, what you're going to want to do is create as much organic content as humanly possible for your products. Start posting, and then most importantly, tag the products that you're selling that's associated with the video. And if those go viral, you're going to start selling like hotcakes, and it's just going to blow up your account. So that's the first strategy to actually get sales, is shoppable videos, making organic content, tagging the products, and then if people like it, it's going to just create that snowball effect. So we've got shoppable videos. The next is you can actually sell with live. This is where you can go live, talk about your product in real time, and promote your products. And this is a fantastic way, especially if you have a product that is something that you can demonstrate, something that you can show people the cool features or the functionality or how it works, and answer any questions with your audience. And this is where you can actually build a relationship with your audience and show them the ins and outs of your products. And right from live, they can actually buy your product, and you can run different promotions, run different deals with these live campaigns. And this is a fantastic way to generate some traffic and some sales to your products, is by selling with the live feature. So that's the second way. You've got shoppable videos, making organic content. Then you can go live, tag your products, promote your products, build that relationship. And that leads into the third way, which is affiliates. And this is one of my favorite ways to generate sales, because it seriously is just this snowball and domino effect that just can explode. So it's very important to first understand that you need to create these shoppable videos. You need to start creating content, start tagging your products. You need to start selling with live. You need to start getting some sort of traction. Once you do that, it's going to attract affiliates. And these affiliates are going to take notice. They're going to see your products, and they're going to want to promote your products. So that's where I showed you guys, if you come over here to the affiliate tab, you're going to go right here and you're going to hit get started. So go to TikTok Shop affiliate homepage. And this is where you're going to create open collaborations to where anybody can promote your product. And then you can come right here to target collaborations, where you can invite people to get your product, to make videos about, and in return, you will give them a free sample and then a small commission of every sale that they generate. And as you recruit 10, 20, 30, 50 affiliates, you start to build an affiliate army. And before you know it, things just start to explode, and you have tons of people promoting your product, and it just becomes this word of mouth machine that just explodes your TikTok Shop account. So building a good affiliate army is one of the most important parts to actually scaling a TikTok Shop business, and having good solid affiliates is very crucial. So that's the third way. So we've got shoppable videos. As you can see, we've got sell with live. We've got partner with creators. So you can find creators. You can set up affiliate collaborations, setting up open plans. So again, they have basically step-by-step process of how to actually do that. They have the videos that lay it out for you, which is super nice. And the fourth way is marketing. So I showed you guys right here on the marketing tab. What you're going to do is you can run TikTok Shop ads. And what I personally do, and what I recommend, is you start with organic content first, you start selling with live, you start getting affiliates, and then from there you see what's working and what's not. And the things that are working, you're going to put paid traffic behind it with TikTok ads. And this is how you're going to reach even more people, get your product to even more hands, which is going to generate more traction. And again, it's just this snowball effect. And so again, if something is working, that's where you can put paid traffic behind it. And the same thing applies for affiliates. If an affiliate's video is performing well, you can get what's called their TikTok ad code. You can get their ad code, you can create a TikTok Shop ad and promote that video to reach more people, to again generate you more sales. So selling on TikTok is absolutely insane, and there's so much potential and there's so much opportunity, and they have everything mapped out so perfectly for you. So again, go sign up, create your account, get verified. Then from there, create your listing and then go through the steps that I just showed you. Come right here, get your products ready, sell with shoppable videos, the organic content, and just create content as much as possible. Sell with live, partner with creators. Then from there, run those paid marketing campaigns and watch your account explode. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial when it comes to selling on the TikTok shop. Again, huge shout out to TikTok shop themselves for sponsoring this video. I'll put the link down below where you guys can actually sign up for a TikTok shop account. Again, take advantage of this opportunity because it's one of the greatest things that you can do is start selling your products on TikTok to help grow and elevate your business to that next level. Again, let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.